Soil washing is more of an evolution of what we're already doing with recycling. I always have tended to keep one eye on Europe, and I travel a lot to try and look at what are the latest technologies coming out into the market, what are the Europeans doing in terms of technology and recycling. That's how soil washing came onto our radar. Through some of my trips over to Europe, I started seeing these operations all popping up, and I said, why aren't we doing this here in Canada? The more we looked into it, there was definitely discussions around doing soil washing in Canada, but there was a lot of barriers to entry and a lot of hesitation. We started asking ourselves, how could we as a company potentially remove some of those barriers to entry and remove some of those risks into getting into soil washing? We saw a lot of our customers facing increasing pressures in their businesses. So we wanted to look at something that was feasible, cost-effective means to deal with these excess soil issues. We realized that we really needed to bring this technology into Canada and make it accessible not just to one or two, but to the masses.
We have the service across Canada. We have the parts and the branches across Canada. Now we're bringing facilities to Canada that we can actually support. I think that clearly defines what we're trying to do at Frontline Washing is provide clarity to the customer. And by doing that, we take this big budget item and we break it down and we help walk them through the entire process. With all the travel that we've done over the last 3.5 years, we've been exposed to different ways that these pieces of equipment can be used. By having that exposure, when we come back and we talk to our customers, we're actually truly able to provide them the experience to overcome any obstacle that they might encounter at their facility. We're finally seeing the fruit of our labor. We're seeing customers bring these plants online, and we're seeing the material that used to go to landfill be brought back into industry, be used for different products, and be recycled.